Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1992 Mustang Lx. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we got the 347 Ford stroker engine, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover. We have the correct oil pan for the 92 Fox Body Mustang, rear sump oil pan, oil stick and tube, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, Taylor ignition wires, American made, all the wire markers on there, roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. We have the proper polished valve covers for the Fox Body Mustang on there, MSD distributor all set in place, ready to go. Trick flow intake manifold, upper and lower intake manifold installed. All the ARP intake manifold bolts are in there. We have the proper Ford Racing billet steel flywheel for the 92 Mustang, proper tooth count and balance. Pilot bearings in there, clutch pressure plate bolts installed. 70 millimeter BBK throttle body installed. All the coolant lines up to the throttle body spacer installed. Breather ventilation line going up to the throttle body. And the real nice Raptor pulley kit on here. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt with the self-tensioning belt tensioner on there. Thermostats installed. Thermostat housing set. 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. Power steering pumps on there. We have the proper fitting so the customer can use the his existing power steering line from the Fox Body Mustang will go right in there. Oil pressure extensions installed for the easy hookups. Even has the proper timing cover. This is where the ground wire goes from the battery. Proper timing cover, all set. So here you have it. 347 Ford 425 horsepower for the Fox Body Mustang. When you're ready to buy, give us a call. 1-800-326-6554. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.